Where's my yogurt? Seriously, who the fuck ate my Greek yogurt?
Not me.
Janet?
No, I can't have Greek yogurt. It's really bad for the baby. I'm in my 3rd trimester.
More like 4th.
Becky, what the hell? Seriously though, why are you eating my Greek yogurt?
I would never eat Greek yogurt. It tastes like ass.
Oh my god, you're such a fucking Karen, Becky.
That's a slur against white women, and you should know that.
You know what? This is why your 3rd husband divorced you last week.
Well, I hate you because you have a fucking middle part.
Lovely.